Oh. It's about 6:30 right now. I'm doing a warm-up run. I'm about to test a pivot Switchblade. About $10,000 bike. Interesting to see how it interesting to see how it compares with the Genius. I'm also trying a new audio recording setup with a mic on the back wheel, which probably isn't that great for this bike because it sounds so terrible at the moment, but I'm sure the pivot will be quiet, right? Just getting pivot, same trail. Now that's a nice sounding hub. I'm not sure what this bike's worth, but it's a hell of a lot. Carbon wheels, top of the line, everything. See how she goes. Wow. Holy moly. Ground creeper. So I gave you 50. Oh, that look. I give you 50 minutes to convince you that a $13,000 bike is worth it. Whoa! If I had the money, I would buy this thing right now. Ooh. This is an insane good bike. Oh my god. Ooh. This this bike is a monster.
So I guess the real question here is this bike worth the absolutely absurd price? And with pretty much every one of these kind of videos, the answer's kind of yes and no. On one hand, it is much better than I expected. The jump between my bike, which retails somewhere around 5,000, and this, which retails at around 14,500 in New Zealand, it's a huge jump in terms of performance, but it's not worth that amount of money. However, if I had the money to spend on a bike, or if, for example, I had $10,000 to spend on a bike, I probably would want to go the extra bit. The main takeaway from this video is that you should really try test a bike like the Pivot Switchblade if you get a chance. Even if you're not going to buy it, there's no obligation to buy on a demo day like this. But it is mind-blowing how much faster I felt and how much more comfortable I was. And that doesn't mean I don't want to keep riding my Genius. I like my Genius, but this was just a completely different level. I hope that gives you some kind of insight into whether or not it's worth it. I'd need to test it for a lot longer to really justify it. This was only 50 minutes of flat out riding, but yeah, it's a damn awesome bike.